Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, June 15th, and we're going to take a look at soybeans, and more specifically, a setup that we had earlier today in the trading room right before this big rally, and that was a hammer pattern. So a hammer pattern occurs when you have a really long tail to the downside, and then you have a nice close above the open at the top of the range. And typically, when you see something like this happening, especially with soybeans, when it opens back up in the mid-morning or at 9:30 in the morning after closing at 8:45, when it opens up, a lot of times it'll run stops, and that's what it did right here. It dropped down, ran the stops below the lows, and then turned around immediately and closed up very strong. So that right there tells us, okay, there's no selling power or no sellers down below that low, and that the buyers came back with a lot of force and pulled prices all the way back up. Now, with a hammer pattern, you always wait until it actually triggers before taking the trade. So when does it trigger? It triggers when it breaks the high of the hammer. So that means you don't enter this trade until it gets above that high at 929.25. And then you take the long and you look for it to rally. And if you're trading off of something like an hourly or a 120 or a 30, then what you can do is you do a 1-bar trailing stop if you're just day trading it. And a lot of times that'll keep you in for the majority of the run. Like in this case, you would have gotten out at 35.25, which means you would have taken out about 5 points, 5 to 6 points. So great job to everybody in the trade room that did take that trade. It worked out really well. That's all I have for you for today, though. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, and also feel free to browse around and see any other training that we have on here. We got hours and hours of trading education for free for you here on YouTube. So that's it for today, and until next time, happy trading.